G'day folks, how are you? Juddy here. I just thought I would share something really exciting, something that has happened to me that could change the history of the world. It's that exciting. So, we've had a bit of rain this arvo. Mate, I tell you what, when you need it to rain, you need to pray for rain because, man, it has been so dry. But we've been blessed to have some really good, consistent rainfall today, so it's a good thing. Okay, so what's the big news? So I'm at work at the moment, and I've taken a little time off, and I've instructed my housemate to give me a little space so I can make a video, you know, just a little space, because this is on my break. I'm having my half an hour break now, and he's respecting my space. I've never seen him use the broom ever, but he's using the broom. Wow. Okay, so anyway, where was I? For privacy concerns, he will remain anonymous. I really love my job, and yeah, he is an adult. We'll see. I'll check with the man upstairs. Maybe we can include him in on one of my videos in the not too distant future. So, I'm having a break at work here, like I said. It's mailed to Honourable Kwakasaki-san. Oh, I wonder what it could be. I wonder what it could be. So, if anybody watches, well, some of you do watch my channel, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this now, would you? But for all those people who have been with me from the start, you've known I've had to deal with issues. But it's been good because I sort of promised myself I wasn't going to spend any money on my YouTube channel until I was really sure I was going to hang in there and continue. I just didn't want to go spend a heap of money and then realise I don't really want to do this anymore. So thanks for you guys for encouraging me. Hey, I feel very blessed. Okay, so we've got an unboxing, but just not any unboxing. A good mate of mine, Rage, loaned me his GoPros. Said you might need these if you're starting a YouTube channel, and he loaned me a couple of his GoPro 3s, and they've done a really good job, and I'm so grateful. But the fact is, I need to step it up a little bit. You know, I need a camera with image stabilization, you know, and a few other things. So I bit the bullet, and so I ordered a certain camera that it's a big secret. Nobody's going to know until I unbox it. So let's have a go. It says please tear here. So I think customs have been into this by the look of it. Oh. Ooh. Yes. Oh, Honourable Kwakasaki-san. I wonder what came were they? What kind were they? What kind were they? Ooh, look at that. I'm so excited. So, we'll start with something little, just to sort of as a teaser. What have we got here? Battery base, one, and what else have we got here? Sticky lens guards, because everybody knows that I need sticky lens guards on my my device, whatever this could be. I have no idea what is. Ta-da! Oh yeah! Interchangeable lens action cam. Insta 360 RS. Oh, on you. Oh, I can't wait to play with you. I think you're amazing already. What do we got here? Little SD card. They sent along with it. I got a mic adapter. Just in case I want to use a mic. What else did I get? Ooh, an invisible selfie stick and tripod. That was a free gift, by the way. And I bought one too, an extendable one. Yeah, so 2 selfie sticks. Because I didn't want to, I got the motorcycle package because I didn't want to, like, fair income. I know I've got all the bits and pieces to mount it to my motorcycle, but just in case, I wanted to be prepared. Ta-da! The great unveiling, the motorcycle bundle. And what have we got in here? Oh, all sorts of bits and pieces. Ooh, what else is in here? Ooh, another free gift because the Black Friday sales. I actually waited for these sales to come, so I paid a good... I got all this stuff for about the same price as you would normally get that on its own. So I decided I want to set myself up. And look what I got. Ooh, nice bag. Nice bag. Think bold. Insta 360. It's not very bold, but hey, bold enough. I'll make it bold. I got the 5XL. I got the largest one you could get because I know what Asian sizes are like. There you go. So we got that. That's it. Some bubble wrap. So I just wanted to share with you my plans for the Honourable Kwakasaki channel. Yes. And we all know what's inside here, don't we? We have a 4K lens and a 360 lens. So how exciting. I'm so excited. So excited. That was the Posty unboxing. What about, wow, what's inside these things? I might have my cup of tea. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. How can I just tease you like that? If ever Insta360 want me to try any of their other products, give me a yell. I'll give it a go, alright? Look at this. So, it's only a little cam, isn't it? Wow. Look at that compared to a GoPro. Cute. And you've got the battery goes on the bottom. Oh, little light. So if you see yellow, they say it hasn't been. Aha! If you see yellow, oh look at that, blue light already. Ooh, how exciting! So this is our little 4K lens, and this is our 360 lens. How exciting! So that's why I got these sticky lens covers to go on top of this, to protect the lens, because everybody knows I like to spend a fair bit of time in the dirt. Yeah, so that goes in like that, so you know what's in there. How do you pull these apart? Do they just pull apart? I think. Oh, hang on. It's got a little lever there. And a little lever at the front. You slide to the... There you go. So how exciting is that? Good on ya. Now, I only ordered this time last week. It was this time last week that I ordered it at 6 p.m. So it's actually taken less than 7 days to get here from China. Thank you. Uncle China. Whatever they may say about China, yeah. I believe that, like, without China, like, half of us couldn't afford this sort of stuff. You know what I mean? So, and I've always been of that opinion. You know, people might knock China, but at the end of the day, they're wearing their t-shirts and their undies and, you know, their Insta 360s. So what's in the motorcycle bundle, you may ask? So you get a claw. Oh. You get a claw that goes on your bike. Oh, it's good, sturdy. Wow. I guess you pay for it. And what are these? These are little suction cups. I guess they go on the side of your helmet or something, I guess. I don't know. What do we got here? Oh, this can screw on to wherever. It's got a thread. Couple of more mounts. So I've got a few mounts. A couple of these. Pretty cool. Actually, in the box, what you wouldn't have seen is the holder. There's a holder in here somewhere that holds the whole thing together, so it'll be in here. It goes around the camera. So let's have a little peeky bit at that. So what's in the box? You got a C drive cord. Some crystals. Got a little booklet. A little booklet's quick start guide. You get a waterproofing what to know. Waterproofing what to know. This looks like a lens cleaner. Oh, and a couple of stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Woohoo! Awesome. So put our little memory card in there. And you get this cover. So, and this is your, you get this to go over your 360 eyes. This goes over there like that. I don't know whether, like that. That's the way you're supposed to transport it. And I've got these just in case. Yeah, so that's cool. Whoops. Yeah, I think you're supposed to pull the stickers off as soon as you get it. Don't you scratch those lenses, mate. Apparently they're very, very, yeah. So this thing, apparently you press the button and it just flicks up. Aha, it does. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this goes with this. Okay, and then that slides in there, and everybody knows what happens. And that goes down like that. And that's where you get your, that, the reason why I've done this is because I wanted to show you that that will go onto there, like so, and you get that, like so, into there, ta-da! So, something like that, anyway. So, how exciting, I'm so excited. What's an unboxing without actually unboxing it? So you're supposed to pull all the stickers off and stuff, but I'll do that later. Oh, I'm So excited. Can anybody tell I'm excited? We've seen our little motorcycle kit. We've got a few tools. That on its own, I think, is around $90, I think. But like I said, I want to be prepared. Like, the last thing I want to do is get the camera and go, oh, I forgot. I got a spare battery because I'm not going to open them up. I am keen to have a look at the selfie stick though. Like you see other people with these things. Hello! Out of the rain I see. Hmm? So let's have a look at this. So this is the selfie stick / tripod. Okay, so the tripod opens up like that. Ta-da! And aha! Ta-da! Okay, so that's cool. That's cool. I like it. I like it. Oop. Aha! So it all comes up when you open the legs. That's so cool. This is the one I bought because I didn't think that would be long enough. Okay, this is the extension. Aha. Aha. So that can go onto that. There you go. So that gives me... Oh, I can't wait to use this. This is exciting. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me for my unboxing. So that's quite compact, isn't it? So what's the difference in... Okay, so the free gift was actually longer than the one I bought. There you go. But you can use it as an extension. Yeah, that's groovy. I like it. And I think, yeah. Oh, just so excited. Okay, guys. I'm going to get back to work. I'm going to finish my cup of tea. Thanks for joining me for an early Christmas.